So we're back from riding and digging. How were the trails today?
The trails were beautiful, except that one.
Okay, so it was Trail 5 heading to the Canadian border, which wasn't groomed,
Correct.
and there hadn't been anybody down it,
Well, there was 3 sleds ahead of us breaking trail.
and you followed them.
Yep.
Yeah.
And
Well, come on, you can be in the video too.
yes.
And,
Oh, we're making a video.
Yeah.
oh,
so-
we're making a video. Our snow conditions report. Because there's an, oh my God, amount of snow out there. It's thigh deep. And you stuck a sled in that.
Absolutely. That
All right.
rascal, just the snow gave way, and I went for a tumble in the creek.
Yeah, you did. we could see the tracks. We pulled them all out, but the trails were awesome.
Yeah.
Going up to get you guys and
Oh, it's
everything,
beautiful.
it was unbelievable.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Well, I wondered about.
If we had 2 straps, then we could have brought that other single over here, hooked the strap over to it tight so that, you know,
Oh, so
probably
it won't
ahead
swing?
so that it couldn't fall in while we pulled it forward.
Why don't you do me a favor and go stand over there in that undone snow. Just because I think it's funny. There you go.
Greens, they got a lot of nice girls.
That's funny. Okay.
I'm ready. Well, here it's fine. If you got